English and French have a lot in common. They both have Latin origins, and for this reason, they have many words that are very similar. They'll have the same spelling, and if you know some pronunciation rules, you can kind of guess the pronunciation of them. For the most part, this makes life easier. If you don't know the word in English, you can use a French word, guess the pronunciation, and keep the communication moving. For example, fantastique, fantastic. Excellent, excellent. However, there are a few words that look and sound similar between English and French, but the meanings are very different. And today we're going to focus on those words. Let's start with exams. Do you take an exam or do you pass an exam? The answer is both. In English, you can take or pass an exam. In French, they kind of mean the same thing, but in English, they're two very different things. In English, when you take an exam, it means that you write your exam or sit your exam. This is similar to passer un examen in French. However, in English, if you pass an exam, it means that you do not fail your exam. It means that you finish your exam with a successful result. So remember that in English, taking an exam can be stressful, but passing an exam is a reason for celebration. A lot of French speakers, when they want to talk about things that are happening right now or these days, will use the English word actually, which sounds a lot like the French word actuellement. But those two words have very different meanings. Actually, in English, translates to en fait in French. Actually, in English, shows a contrast and is often used when you're correcting someone. For example, do you like it? Actually, I don't. So, how do you talk about these days or things that are true right now? In English, the word is currently, such as, currently I'm working on a project. Currently, we're getting good weather. You can also use the adjective current to talk about the current price or the current situation. When French speakers want to talk about a person that can be hurt easily, they use the word sensible, which sounds like the French word sensible. But in English, sensible has a different meaning. Sensible means rational or logical. A sensible person will follow the rules and make rational, logical decisions. A sensible solution is one that makes sense. In English, if you want to talk about somebody whose feelings can be hurt easily, we use the term sensitive. A sensitive person feels emotions easily. Sensitive skin can get a sunburn easily. A sensitive game controller can react quickly and strongly. French speakers often have difficulty with fun and funny. They're both words that have very similar uses. They're both used for good, positive experiences. A person, a movie, an adventure can be fun, and it can be funny. So what's the difference? Fun is closer to enjoyable. If you're enjoying it, it's fun. If a friend likes to go on adventurous vacations, that's a fun friend. Disneyland is fun, sports are fun. So, what about funny? The most important difference is the laughing. If you're laughing or feel like laughing, it's funny. Comedians are funny, comedies are funny. Friends can be funny, but only if they make you laugh. A fun friend might go on fun vacations or do fun activities, but they're not funny unless they make you laugh. Here's a small quiz. Let's see what you remember. Hope that helps. See you next time.